or should I say the valve, in place. And we do have some videos out there on how to solder copper pipes. Just go to coolplumbingvideos.com, and here you're seeing that we've cleaned the inside of the body of the valve so that when we slip the pipes in, we can solder them together. So we cleaned it, fluxed it, and we're ready to start putting it together. And if you noticed, the when we show the valve, it said the word up. That word up is going to be where the shower head is going, so you want to aim that in the direction of the shower head, so that's going to be up. And the most tub and shower valves will have an indication which end is up. You just have to look at it close. Some will say up, some will say tub, some will say shower, but it's important that you look at it really close, because if you don't, it's easily to put the valves in backwards. And if that happens, you will have a problem with flow of water going up or down. So that's important to keep a close eye on the tub and shower valve when installing. Notice what we're doing right here. What we're doing is taking the channel locks, and what we're going to do is we're going to just kind of squeeze the copper pipe so it kind of egg shapes, just a small amount. And this is so that when we mount the tub and shower valve onto the copper pipe itself, by being egg shaped and not round, it's going to hold the tub and shower valve tightly in place, and it won't slide out on you when you go to start soldering the pipe. It's a little, it's going to be a little tight trying to squeeze it up on there, but it's going to be worth it because it's going to keep it in place so that you can solder the copper pipe. And what we're doing here is we're taking the solder and we're putting a little hook on it so that we can reach the backside when we start the backside of the copper and the fitting itself, so that we goes to and start soldering. It's easily and accessible to solder.